Hello, and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Doge is a chart that we are still tracking for another potential low. Not guaranteed, but it so far hasn't given us any evidence, or well, at least not sufficient evidence that a lasting low is already in. I've got it only in my alternative wave count here, where I say that the wave 2 could have completed. This is basically a 1-2 setup, with the wave 2 that could have completed on the 9th of June. This is more like, or 10th of June, this is more like a hopium count because, let's be honest, off that low, we haven't seen any impulse. A potential diagonal, I would still like to see one more high, and ideally one more high above resistance, because as long as we stay below 9.4 cents, this can easily be a B wave top. We talked about that before, but you know, in the alternative wave count, the low is in. Everybody just needs to understand that the low could be in here. But again, I can't confirm it without any evidence. I don't have evidence at this stage. Therefore, because of all the corrective rallies that we had here recently, we had here a corrective rally, ABC, we had one here, we had one here, we had one here. And all these are the news-related rallies or tweet-related rallies. We talked about the concentrated stirring of sentiment that relates to Dogecoin in previous videos. So the thing is, as long as we don't see any impulsive rallies, but only corrective rallies, it is unlikely that we are going to see a lasting uptrend. They can always, coins like these, they can always rally out of the blue. You need to understand that. I need to preach that time and time again. And you need to know your coins and assets. If you know Doge, then you know it can rally out of the blue. If you have some Doge and it does that, you can do some opportunistic profit taking. That's nothing that an analysis can really forecast. If Elon Musk or someone else puts a tweet out and it stirs a little bit of mass sentiment. But the thing is, at the moment, all these rallies, I often say these news or rallies or anything, they don't really change an underlying trend. And so far the trend has been down. You could actually argue it's rather sideways. It is down or has been down since November 22. Lower highs, certainly, also lower lows. Lower lows. We haven't broken the June 22 low yet, however, and I would still like to see that in the yellow wave count, where we have an ending diagonal in a 5-wave move. And at the moment, it looks like we are in the third wave. And in the third wave, we might just be starting the C wave down. Condition here would be that this swing high is holding. We don't go above 8.4 cents. If we do, not a problem. It can stretch out in the resistance area all the way up to 9.4 cents. Above 9.4, we might have to change the wave count and the assumption, but it wouldn't necessarily be super bullish. It would rather be a more substantial correction. I could easily reset that wave 2 higher, but it will depend on the structure. If I see an impulse, okay, then we can look at something more bullish. Until then, it could simply be a more corrective rally, and that just doesn't give us any reliable long-term upward trajectory from here. I would like to see another low below the June 22 low. Not entirely sure if we get there, but at the moment, unless we get an impulsive break above resistance, this is the preferred scenario. Okay, that's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.